Okay, so we need to decide an easy way to figure out, are we going to multiply or divide when we're missing a quantity and we're using our trig ratios. So I've got a couple of examples here, a couple of different examples I'm going to do, and I'm going to show you an easy way to decide if you're multiplying or dividing, and this might be something you want to put on your note card that you get to use for your final exam. For sure, we want to put all of our trig ratios down on our note card. Now, in this problem, we're given an angle, and we're given the adjacent side. That's adjacent because it makes up the angle, and we're given C, and the long side is always the hypotenuse. So I'm going to look on my little cheat sheet note card, and I'm going to find the ratio for adjacent and hypotenuse. And if you look, that's cosine. And I went ahead and set it up so the cosine of that angle is the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. I'm missing the hypotenuse. If your missing quantity is on the bottom, you will divide these numbers. Okay, this is the order you put in the calculator. So instead of doing a bunch of fancy algebra for you, if the missing number is on the bottom, you divide. If the missing quantity is on the top, if your variable's up here, you will multiply, okay? Now I'm going to go back over how to put this in the calculator. So we're dividing. What are we dividing in what order? We're going to start off with a 3.19, the quantity on the top of the fraction. Let me clear off what I did here because I was already playing around with this. Okay, so 3.19. And I'm going to divide by, okay, so that's going to go first. And then I'm going to divide by the cosine of 41.1. If you have this calculator, I think I already pushed the division sign, 41.1 cosine to get that. And then enter. And that rounds to 4.23, okay?